now we come to the $1,000,000 question, is blood sugars. Now, I would be curious to know how were your blood sugars during diagnosis and while you were going through, Sachin?
Okay. So in the first 2-3 days, when I had fever, my fasting sugars were around 200. So I treated it as a sick day, like how to manage a sick day. In the same manner, I thought that I will apply the same scenario here also. So when my sugars were around 200 in the fasting for first 2-3 days, and later on or throughout the day, the sugars ran about 140 to 200 between that. So I thought that I should not get hypos. Basically, sugars between 140 to 240, between that is okay. So I managed that I didn't get any hypo, and my insulin requirement was as same as before. My diet reduced basically to
So
20
you
to
were not
30%.
well, you did your sick day management,
Yeah.
and you were checking for ketones as well, or no
Yeah, I
ketones?
checked for ketones.
Were they positive?
No, it was negative.
So despite the fact that ketones were negative, you used your
Negative.
sick day management.
Yeah.
So you must have increased the insulin, isn't it?
Yeah, I need to, but since my diet reduced 20 to 25%, so I knew that my insulin requirement will stay the same, basically.
All right. So use your sick day management to manage your sugar, but when you did not eat so much, you cut down your everyday meal bolus.
Yeah.
And
No, I
you
didn't cut my bolus. Basically, my insulin requirement were the same.
exactly because you let down. So because you increased this, but you reduced your food, you required
Yeah.
less insulin.
Yeah.
And for how many days were you taking this sick day management?
Till I had fever, basically 3 to 4 days. Later
And
on,
after 3 to 4 days, your sugars came back to normal.
sugars were normal. Yeah. After 3-4 days, my sugars came back to normal. Basically, fasting and all, everything was around 120, 180, between 160. So
And
things were
you
normal.
never had ketones in all this time.
No.
Lovely. राज तुम्हारा कैसे था?
सर जब मेरा फीवर था तभी मैंने सिक डे मैनेजमेंट अप्लाई किया था, जो हमें जेडीएफ में सिखाया गया था कि कीटोन्स चेक करो. तो मेरा इनिशियल 2 to 3 डेज कीटोन्स स्लाइट हाई थे, बट जैसे
मतलब ट्रेस थे, +1 थे,
ट्रेस
कैसे थे?
मेरा
ट्रेस
प्लस
थे.
हाँ, जब फर्स्ट डे था तभी +3 थे. फिर धीरे धीरे से फीवर कम होने लगा तो वो +2, +1. फिर आई थिंक शुगर सर तभी इनिशियली 250 के अराउंड होते थे मेरे. फास्टिंग
तो
है,
शुगर्स 250 थे पर कीटोन्स +3 हो गए थे.
यस, बिकॉज ऑफ फीवर एंड ऑल. तो जैसे जैसे फीवर कम होते गया, कीटोन्स भी नेगेटिव आते गए और शुगर्स भी मेरे कंट्रोल में आते गए. सो वाज फास्टिंग वाज लाइक 130, 140, समटाइम इट्स 150. और मुझे इतनी सारी वीकनेस नहीं थी. सो मैं क्या करता था, ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, आधा घंटा बैठा, 15-20 मिनट्स रूम में वॉक किया, फिर थोड़ा टाइम बैठ गए, फिर वापस थोड़ा टाइम वॉक किया. तो मैं अपने हर मील के बाद थोड़ा वॉक कर लेता था ताकि शुगर स्पाइक ना हो मेरे.
ओके.
और बॉडी में थोड़ी मूवमेंट भी रहे, तो मेंटली भी आप थोड़े फिट रहते हो उस हिसाब से, क्या फ्रेश रहते हो कि चलो. तो वो भी सर एक बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
तो तुम्हारे राज तुमने 10% एक्स्ट्रा के लिया कि 20% एक्स्ट्रा लिया?
सर टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे हार्डली कभी मेरा डोज इंक्रीज किया है.
पर तुमने सिक डे मैनेजमेंट तो किया.
हाँ, फर्स्ट डे जब भी मेरा हुआ था तभी मैंने 10% मेरा डोज इंक्रीज किया था.
ठीक है.
और बुखार की वजह से इतना मैं खा भी नहीं पा रहा था, सो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा डोज ले लिया, शुगर को नॉर्मल कर दिया, आधे एक घंटा वेट कर लिया, हाफ एन आवर, उसके बाद खाना खाया, थोड़ा वॉक किया और रेस्ट ले लिया.
ठीक है. तो 10% में आपने मैनेज किया, पर whereas sugars 250 plus and +3 in ketones आपको 20% एक्स्ट्रा लगना चाहिए, पर आपका शुगर्स 10% से मैनेज हो गया. और दिन में आप कितने बार चेक कर रहे थे?
ऑलमोस्ट 4 to 5 टाइम्स.
4 to 5 टाइम्स. और कीटोन्स कितने बार चेक कर रहे थे?
कीटोन्स में 2 ही बार टेस्ट किया था मैंने.
सचिन तुमने कितने बार शुगर्स चेक कर रहे थे?
मैं शुगर्स 5 to 6 टाइम्स चेक कर रहा था.
और एसीटोन?
कीटोन्स मैंने 2 बार ही चेक किया है, हार्डली 2 बार.
अच्छा राज, तुम्हारा कोविड टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आ गया था, राइट? एंड आपको होम क्वारंटाइन अलाउ किया कि आपको भी कहा गया था कि हॉस्पिटल में जाइए?
नहीं, मुझे तो होम क्वारंटाइन उन्होंने अलाउ किया था कि कोई
उन्होंने बताया था कि आपको डायबिटीज है कि आपने बताया नहीं था?
हाँ, नहीं, मैंने बताया था उनको जब बीएमसी वाले आए थे तभी मैंने उनको बोला था कि आई एम अ टाइप 1 डायबिटिक, ये है मेरे सिम्टम्स है। और उन्होंने बोला था कि सर आप होम क्वारंटाइन की अगर फैसिलिटी हो तो आप होम क्वारंटाइन कर लीजिए, और आपके जो भी डाइटिशियन है उनसे आप कंसल्ट कर लीजिए कि आप अपने शुगर लेवल कैसे मैनेज करेंगे। अगर सिचुएशन ज्यादा खराब होती हो तो आप हॉस्पिटलाइज हो, वरना अगर आपका होम क्वारंटाइन से अगर होता है सो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग। तो मैं होम क्वारंटाइन ही था।
लवली। एंड उन्होंने कोई कांटेक्ट नंबर दिया? ना ना
नहीं, उन्होंने उनका एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो वो सबको देते हैं, इमरजेंसी नंबर, वो मुझे दे के रखा था कि आपको कभी भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, जैसे ब्रीदिंग का या फिर एक्सट्रीम वीकनेस आपको लग रही है, या टेस्ट बर्ड्स एकदम चले गए हैं आपके, या दूसरे
तो
कोई
आपको
जो सीवियर
सिम्टम कांटेक्ट
सिम्टम्स
करने के लिए
है।
कहा। अच्छा
हाँ।
राज, तुम्हारी शुगर्स बैक टू नॉर्मल रेंज, तुम्हारे
हम्म।
यूजुअल रेंज में आने को कितने दिन लगे?
4 to 5 days सर।
4 to
4
5
to
days. So you had a
5 days।
quicker recovery. सचिन, आपकी रिकवरी में थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम गया शुगर्स के, राइट?
नहीं, only my fasting used to be around 200. Later on, even during Corona, my sugars were around 140 to below 200
वेरी
throughout the
गुड,
day. Only
वेरी
my
गुड,
fasting used to be on a higher side.
वेरी
So
नाइस,
carried for around 2-3 days. Later on, everything stood normal.
गुड। बबीता, इन योर केस तुमको होम क्वारंटाइन का ऑप्शन दिया ही नहीं।
Oh, they did not give me the option at all.
So how did you manage yourself in the hospital setup? कैसे आपने मैनेज किया?
Firstly, I honestly, with the baby, I did not really get time to check ketones and all because he was too cranky, and we were not given time only. Within that 2 hours, you had to pack yourself and everything, and the ambulance comes and takes you. You know, it was too messed up. So by the time I got a room in twin sharing, the doctor there comes and takes your history. Okay, so like what symptoms or allergies to medicine, or like thyroid and other disorders, whatever you have, they make a list of it so that your treatment plan starts.
Right.
And firstly, I would like to tell everybody here, like if anybody is a diabetic, especially a type 1, shouldn't depend on the doctors who treat you for COVID at all,
For
because
management of diabetes.
yeah, like type 2 they are aware of, but type 1 they have zero knowledge, let me tell you that. And pump, so they don't even know what it is, because like if there is a staff of 10 people, they are trained that way कि COVID के symptoms है तो उनको ये दवाई दो, shivering है तो ऐसे दे दो, ये है तो वैसे दे दो. बाकी I was managing my pump myself because I did not let them touch me at all. So I was like, please, like, let me manage my own diabetes. Rest, whatever you want to do, you do. Baki, and there is no trained diabetologist there who will come and speak to you, or take your history or anything like that. So you have to be your own hero there. Play.
So
or
how did you manage your heroism? Tell us about that.
yeah.
Hospital mein,
So
when you
when
went.
I went there in a rush, I had a baby in my hand and stuff. The moment I kept my bags and stuff, I checked my sugar, and I had a long gap that I did not eat something, and I don't know why, but my sugar went to 350 that time. And I had some patch problem. I think there was some tubing issue or something. And I could see that, the insulin did not pass through. There was no delivery or something. So I did not wait till I changed the whole patch system and all. And luckily I carried my insulin pens with me, and at that moment I gave myself a correction to bring myself to normal so that I can be in my senses to take care of everything. So when everything was okay and my sugars came back to 103, 104 before dinner, I had my dinner, and then the medication that they were giving me had something natural that was putting my sugars down only. So I did not really change my basal, but my bolus was, thoda sa niche niche.
One of the medicine that is given is
Yeah.
HCQs. I don't know if HCQs were given to you.
I don't. There was
And
something
HCQs have a
that.
tendency of dropping your sugars down.
Yeah. So my mom, who luckily got a bed next to me after 3 days, her sugar went to 40. She's a type 2 diabetic. So there was something natural in that was causing my sugars down naturally, So I did not cut down my basal, but yeah, bolus I was taking low because they were giving a high protein that really did not spike my sugars after meals also. So it was quite manageable. On the third day, like I feel my sugars never went beyond 180 or something.
So
So
from talking to the three of you, it looks like takes at least 2 to 3 days. Yeah, after you get fever or during the fever time, as the fever subsided in all of you. How long did the fever take to subside in your case, Babita?
it took me 1.5 2 days only.
So Raj was again 1.5 2 days. Yours is 1.5 2 days. Sachin, you was a little day longer. You 2 days, 2.5.
2.5 something.
Yeah,
2.5.
so around that range. So around 3 days time, the fever settles, and so does the sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Babita, did you change? You said you used the insulin pen to correct. Did you change your patch again?
Yeah, before sleeping, I did my patch change, and after 2 hours, I checked my sugar again, and I felt that yeah, it has been inserted properly. Then I went back to sleep.
And you did not increase your basal because you could see that your sugars were dropping.
Yeah.
Perfect.